Hello everybody, this is me2407 with another video, and today I'm going to be going Authentics hunting once again at my local Walmart. Before this video starts, I'd like to invite you guys to check out Bench Racing Diecasts located in Newark, New York. They have the greatest selection for 164 and 124 scale diecasts, and it is an amazing store. Whether you've been collecting for years or just getting into the hobby, it is a must-see for any collector. They also have a website which is linked in the comments and description below, so if you see something you like but don't live nearby, you can still purchase it. Once again, the name is Bench Racing Diecast, but now, let's get on to the video. And now for the ads. So I'll start out with Austin Hill's 2021 United Rentals truck. I have to have every truck that has been made in NASCAR Authentics, so saw this one and needed to pick it up. As you can see, I've got all of them. Some are actually behind others, but I've managed to find every single one of them. So yeah, had to pick this one up to keep the streak going. Next up, Ross Chastain's 2021 Clover car. I think the scheme is alright. I would have rather had a white number instead of the orange, but it's not terrible. It's nice to have one of his cars in the collection. And then, last but certainly not least, is Daniel Suarez's 2021 iFly car. I'm debating whether or not I keep this one in the box. If you guys saw the video, the majority of the boxes are all pretty smashed up, which is disappointing. But yeah, super happy to add this car. I really like this paint scheme, and yeah, really nice to have a Suarez car. So if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications, and comment below if you guys have found Wave 6 yet. And once again, it's been me2407. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.